Got some important information here for XRP holders. If you hold your XRP on this particular exchange, you're going to be getting a free airdrop, a long-awaited airdrop from this major crypto exchange. If you hold your XRP here, we're going to break it down so you're well aware of this. I know a lot of people, hold their XRP in multiple different areas, so I want to make sure everybody's aware of this if it impacts you, so you can get your free airdrop token. So let's dive into this a little bit. So the exchange itself is MEXC. So major cryptocurrency exchange MEXC announced the airdrop of xCORE token for holders of XRP and Solo. This is another token from the XRPL ecosystem. A total of 50 million xCORE with a strike price of right around $10 will be distributed to holders of these tokens. Now, the airdrop is going to take place on May 15th, but the snapshot of XRP and Solo holders will be made on March 24th this month. 4 a.m. UTC. Now, xCORE is currently trading at 97 cents per token, according to MEXC, and it would be misleading to take that price into account as the token's presence is extremely limited right now on trading platforms. It's currently only available on decentralized XRP ledger exchanges such as Sologenic. Now, what is Corium and xCORE? This is Core and xCORE. xCORE is an options token of another asset, Core. The latter is the native token of Corium, which is a layer 1 decentralized blockchain run by a community of developers. Now, Core is currently priced at right around 54 cents. The project itself has a market cap already of 54 million, with only 20% of the 500 million token offering in circulation right now. So being an option token means that xCORE can then be exchanged for Core if the price of the latter reaches or remains above the $10 mark for 10 consecutive days. This expires on March 24, 2025. After the expiry date, xCORE can also be exchanged for Core on a one-to-one basis via the Corium blockchain. So if you hold XRP over on MEXC, make sure you're aware of this. Get your free tokens that are coming to you. Those are yours. Make sure you get them. I just want to make sure you're aware of this. Appreciate you guys as always. XRP holders out there, we're hanging in there, right? We'll see what happens with this lawsuit. We just continue to wait and wait and wait, and we'll see what happens with the SEC versus Ripple. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe right here for more XRP content. See ya.